Sumit was the youngest son of Mr. and Mrs. Sharma. He was 10 years old. He had an elder sister named Deepa. One morning, Sumit was at the dining table holding his head in his hands. "What's wrong, Sumit?" his mother said. "Nothing," Sumit said. "I have got a headache." "Oh dear," Sumit's mother said. But she thought, "My son is working hard. I must buy him something when I go out." Mr. Sharma thought, "The boy has been working too hard. Perhaps I can get him something." And at the door, Deepa thought, "Poor, how can I cheer him up? I could get him a little present." "But what?" Then Sumit said, "My bicycle bell is not working. I think it's broken. I would better go and repair it." "Do that when your head's better," his mother said. But she thought, "A new bicycle bell, I can get one when I go for the vegetables." His father thought, "He wants a bell for his cycle. I can get one when I go out." And Deepa thought, "Cycles bells are not too expensive. I will get him one of those." There were two doors in the sport goods shop, one on Market Street and the other on Bank Street. Because the shop was on the corner at 10:30, Sumit's father was in the shop buying his sons a new bell. Just as he went out of the Market Street door, Deepa entered through the Bank Street door. "Good morning," she said to the assistant. "I want a cycle bell, please." As Deepa left through the Market Street door, her mother entered by the Bank Street door. "A bell, madam," the sales assistant said. "Here's a good one. We have sold a lot of these. They are very good and not very expensive." Mrs. Sharma was still out when her husband arrived home. Sumit was reading a book. "How's your head?" said his father. "Have you looked at your broken bell?" "No," Sumit said, "but my head is better now. I am just going out." His father said, "There's something I must do." At 10 to 11 o'clock, the new bell was on Sumit's bicycle and the old one was in the dustbin. Just then, Sumit's mother came in. At 11 o'clock, the second new bell was on Sumit's bicycle and the first one was in the dustbin. His mother was just coming in again when Deepa arrived. "Finish cooking, Ma," she said. "No," her mother said. "I just have a couple of things to do." Deepa stepped out with the bell at 10 minutes past 11. The third bell was on cycle and the second one was with the others in the dustbin. Deepa came back. "Hey," said Sumit, "why is everybody running in and out this morning? This house is like a bus station." He looked at the clock. "It's 11:15 and I still haven't looked the bell." "Oh well, I would better take a look." The top of the bell isn't very dirty," he said, taking it off. "Now, let me see. Perhaps I can push this. Oh no, I have broken that metal ring. I would better go and buy a new one." At 11:30, Sumit was back home with the fourth bell for his cycle. "Hello, Sumit," his mother said. "Is your head better?" "Yes, thanks," he said laughing, "and my bell is working now. Listen." They were all watching him. His mother thought, "I am glad He likes his new bell. His father thought my present was a good idea, and Deepa thought he is happy now. He knows the bell's present from me, but he does not want to talk about it. Boys are like that. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel.